Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to enable and get voice chat on Roblox mobile. So here we are on my iPhone. I've logged into my Roblox account. Make sure you have the most up-to-date version of Roblox to make things simple and to avoid any complications. And then once you're here, what you want to do is tap on the three dots with the circle around it in the bottom of the screen there to get to the more options. And then you want to tap into settings, which is this gear icon here. And then once under settings, you want to go to where you see privacy. So tap into privacy there. And once under privacy, what you want to do is you want to scroll down. And you should see something that says chat features. You should see something that says enable chat with voice. And as you can see right here, enable chat with voice. If we tap that over to the green, it says this setting allows you to chat with your voice. You make sure you're following all the community guidelines, and you can enable that by tapping that button. Now, if you don't see that feature enabled for you, there's a step you have to take first. So what you want to do is X out of that, go back to your settings here, and then just go to account info, where it gives you a rundown of all the information on your account. The requirements for voice chat on Roblox are going to be you have to be 13 years of age or older, and you have to have a verified phone number and email address. So right here where you see phone number, email address, you see where it says verified and there's a check mark next to it. That's what you want to do. So as you can see, here we are on a different account where the user is not yet 13 years of age. So right here under account info, my name's verified or my email address is. So you see there where it says verified next to email address, but you need a verified phone number and you have to be above this age. So if we tried to go here, and we went back to privacy to enable that, as you can see, if we scroll down, there is not going to be any way that I can enable voice chat. That's not even an option that's here because of the account information. Now, if you are using your parents' information, they will have to create the account, change the birthday to be their date of birth, and then they'll have to go here, go to verify, hit the little pencil icon next to that there, verify, take a picture of their ID. It'll walk you through how to verify. There'll be a little button there that says verify, and you'll have to take a picture of your ID, go through that process, and then you'll be able to go through the privacy settings and enable voice chat. That's how it works. And just remember lastly that all of these rules and regulations are different depending on where you are located. Let's say, for instance, you're in America. Our rules are going to be different than, say, in Australia. So again, Roblox has to apply all the different geographical rules that should apply depending on the location where the person is from. So if you have any questions, put those in the comment section down below. I hope this video helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next video.